Maybe an unexpected car repair or a medical bill throws your budget off track. We've all been there. That's when you might stumble upon online lenders like Uprova, offering fast and easy installment loans. But before you hit that Apply Now button, a crucial question pops up. Who exactly is Uprova affiliated with? This question dives deeper than just a company name. Understanding Uprova's affiliation can significantly impact your borrowing experience. So, buckle up, because we're about to unravel the mystery behind Uprova and explore what it means for you. Digging deeper, the Habima-Tolel Pomo connection. Our investigation leads us to the Habima-Tolel Pomo of Upper Lake, California. You might be wondering, who are they? The Habima-Tolel Pomo are a federally recognized Native American tribe with a rich history and cultural heritage. Interestingly, Uprova identifies itself as a tribal lending entity wholly owned and operated by this very tribe. This tribal affiliation is a key piece of the puzzle. Tribal sovereignty, a legal concept guaranteeing self-governance for federally recognized tribes, comes into play here. It means the Habima-Tolel Pomo have the authority to establish their own laws and regulations, including those governing financial activities like lending through Uprova. So, why does Uprova's affiliation matter? This tribal connection significantly impacts how Uprova operates and how your loan terms might differ from traditional lenders. Here's why it's important. Tribal sovereignty and lending regulations. Traditional lenders operate under strict regulations set by federal and state governments. These regulations dictate interest rates, loan terms, and consumer protection measures. However, tribal lenders like Uprova may not be subject to the same level of oversight due to their tribal sovereignty. Interest rates and loan terms. This can be a double-edged sword. While it might allow Uprova to offer quicker loan approvals, it also means potentially higher interest rates and shorter repayment terms compared to traditional lenders. Be sure to carefully review Uprova's loan terms before committing. Consumer protections. Federal consumer protection laws might not fully apply to tribal loans. This means you might have fewer safeguards in case of disputes or repayment challenges. Understanding the limitations of these protections is crucial before borrowing. Knowing Uprova's affiliation is just one step. It's also wise to delve into their specific practices. Here are some areas to consider. Transparency. Does Uprova clearly disclose all loan terms, including interest rates, fees, and repayment schedules? Customer service. How easy is it to reach Uprova's customer service if you have questions or concerns? Online reviews and ratings. Researching independent reviews and ratings from other borrowers can offer valuable insights into Uprova's customer experience. Understanding Uprova's affiliation with the Habima-Tolel Pomo tribe empowers you to make informed decisions about borrowing. While faster approvals might be appealing, weigh the potential drawbacks like potentially higher interest rates and limited consumer protections. Remember, explore alternative lenders and compare loan options before committing. Consider credit unions or banks that might offer competitive rates and better terms. Financial hurdles are a fact of life, but with the right knowledge, you can navigate them effectively. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.